Even though the market has not been doing so well this year, there were actually two investments that were performing relatively well, and that is bonds and dividend stocks. And speaking of that, very recently, DBS has launched two new portfolios, SaveUp and Income portfolios, which lets you grow your money slow and steady from PP. Perfect for the current market when everything is crashing left and right. So, in this video, I will share how the SaveUp and Income portfolios work. What are they investing in? Who should invest in it? And what their pricing is like. And as a bonus, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to invest in their portfolios. Quick disclaimer, this video is produced in collaboration with DBS. But you can be rest assured that all the opinions here are entirely my own. And the main reason I'm making this video is so that you can better understand the portfolios, yeah? Alright, with that being said, let's start right now. For those who are unaware, DBS has a robo-advisor called digiPortfolio. The way digiPortfolio works is by using robot technology to automate processes such as backtesting, rebalancing, and monitoring. But of course, the stuff that algorithms can do is limited. That's why at the same time, they have a team of portfolio managers to create, monitor, and rebalance the portfolios from time to time. Right now, digiPortfolio offers 4 portfolios to suit different needs. The global portfolio lets you invest in globally diversified ETFs, good for investors who want to invest over the long term. The Asia portfolio is also for long-term investment, but as the name suggests, it invests in the Asian market like Singapore, China, India, and so on. Finally, we have the two new portfolios, SaveUp and Income portfolios, which are suitable for investors who want to invest in more conservative portfolios or wish to earn some passive income from their investments. For this video, I will focus on SaveUp and Income portfolios. But if you want me to cover the other portfolios, you can just comment down below and let me know, yeah? Okay, let's first talk about the SaveUp portfolio. The purpose of SaveUp is to grow your wealth slow and steady while trying to keep up with inflation. Meaning, while this portfolio won't 1000x your money, when times are bad, it will also won't go down too much. Here's why. 95% of the portfolio is in fixed income instruments like bonds and money market funds. The remaining 5% is in cash to take advantage of market opportunities, aka buy the dip, and to cover the annual management fee. Currently, there are 5 funds in the fixed income portion. I won't go through all of them, otherwise this video will be super long. But in summary, the funds focus on defensive global bonds, Asian short duration bonds, and traditional Asia investment grade bonds. Or in simple terms, most of the holdings are in short-term corporate bonds to help with portfolio stability and government bonds. The holdings are well diversified across many different countries and sectors. But just take note that the portfolio holdings may change from time to time as the investment team actively aligns the portfolio and the underlying funds according to the views of the DBS Chief Investment Office. Next, what's the yield that you can expect from this portfolio? In this current market environment, the portfolio yield has gone up to 4%. But the long-term indicative yield is around 1.5% to 2.5%. With that being said, it's important not to confuse the yield to the portfolio return. They are different, yeah. That's because the fund managers will actively buy and sell the underlying bonds to take profit or reinvest. So that is the benefit of having human fund managers who oversee the portfolio as compared to a fully algorithm-based global advisor. This portfolio lets you invest with as little as $100. So it's perfect for new investors who want to try investing with a small amount first. As for the fees, there's a 0.25% portfolio management fee and fund level fees for each fund. But all these fees will be taken care of automatically by DBS themselves. So who should invest in the SaveUp portfolio? As mentioned earlier, the main goal of this portfolio is to offer stability while trying to keep up with inflation. Besides that, SaveUp is also suitable for people who want to save up for something that's coming up in the short term, like maybe saving up for a wedding with your honey 2 years later, or saving up to buy a house 5 years later. Next, let's talk about a more exciting portfolio, the income portfolio. As the name suggests, the goal of the income portfolio is to give you a stable income of 4% per annum, which you can choose to receive the payout every quarter or reinvest it and activate the magic of compounding. Let's check out the holdings. 55% of the holdings are in high-quality dividend-paying companies and REITs. 40% of the portfolio is in bonds and fixed income to provide some stability and passive income. Then, the remaining 5% of the portfolio is in cash to take advantage of market opportunities and to cover the annual management fee. So, when should you consider investing in the income portfolio? Yes, it's true that when times are good, growth stocks outperform dividend stocks. But it has been proven that when times are bad, dividend stocks can provide the stability and the consistent income that an investor might need. Two more things you need to know about this portfolio. First, the minimum investment amount is $1,000. It can be either in SGD or USD. And second, this portfolio charges 0.75% portfolio management fee. So then, why should you choose to invest through DBS digiPortfolio? Because they are Singapore's largest bank lor? Duh! Just kidding, that's not the most compelling reason. So, here are 5 reasons as to why someone would choose to invest with them. First, you have the expertise of the bank's investment officers managing your portfolios. Their chief investment officer is Wei Fok, who has over 30 years of fund management experience in many different companies, including GIC and OCBC. So, you can be super sure that he knows his stuff. Second, you get the same level of security as the bank. So, you can be rest assured that your money is well protected. Third, it is much more stable financially. So, you won't have to worry about the robo-advisor suddenly closing shop when times are bad. Fourth, and this is one bonus feature that no other robo-advisor has. By investing in DBS digiPortfolio, you earn higher interest on your savings in DBS multiplier. Depending on what your account balances are, you will get to earn an additional 0.3% to 1.4% interest. Last but not least, it's super easy to get started with DBS digiPortfolio because the robo-advisor is on the same DBS website or in the same DBS app. So you don't have to go and download any extra stuff. Okay, let me show you how easy it is. If you are using the DBS website, just mouse over Invest, click digiPortfolio, look for the portfolio you want to invest in, like SaveUp portfolio. Click Pick this portfolio, do a simple knowledge assessment, then just enter how much you want to invest. Or if you prefer to use the DBS app, it's also super easy to use. In the app, at the bottom, tap on Invest, digiPortfolio, choose which portfolio you want to invest in. For example, if you want to generate regular income, just tap on Get Started, choose Income Portfolio, pick this portfolio. Here, you can set your preference, like what currency you want the portfolio to be in, how much you want to invest, do you want to withdraw or reinvest the dividend, and you are done. So that's how easy it is to invest in digiPortfolio. Anyway, that's my review of DBS digiPortfolio. Hopefully, you find it useful. Will you be using it to invest? Do comment down below and let me know. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.